Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to append tables in a Power BI. Now before we begin anything, let me show you these tables. And as you can see, they are completely different. The columns are completely different. Ideally, you would not want to be appending these kind of tables. I'll show you what you should be appending. Tables like these. As you can see, the columns are pretty much the same because when you are appending data, you're basically stacking the rows on top of each other, right? So what you want to do is come here, home, click on transform data. It will open up Power Query Editor. And on here, I want you to just come and click on append queries. There you go. And it will give you a pop-up where you're basically selecting either two tables, or you can select this one to choose 3 or more tables to append. I'll just choose 2 tables. So right now we have selected financials. As you can see, we have 700 rows. And when we append this with sheet 1, we should have more rows. So I'll append it to sheet 1, click on OK. There we go. And the query, as you can see, has been appended. And it has increased from 700 rows to over 1,000 rows. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.